This video will demonstrate the installation of a Headlight Armor Foglight Protection Kit on a Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 using our Clear Foglight Protection Kit. Before you begin, you will need your Headlight Armor lighting kit, a can-do attitude, your hair dryer, microfiber towel, and a razor knife. Small fog lights like this can either be done dry or wet. If doing the wet method, you would simply wet your fingers with water, remove the kit from the backing paper, and wet the center of the adhesive side of the kit with your wet fingers before applying. Once you have your fog light clean, remove the kit from the backing paper, center on the fog light, and apply. Starting in the center, press the material down, working in circular motions around from the center, and then out, working in short areas. Keep pressing the material toward the edge of the kit. You can go ahead and gently warm the edges of the material with the hair dryer and continue pushing the material down until you reach the end of the kit. If you have any extra material, be sure to tuck it under the bezel or trim it flush with a razor knife. Follow up by heating the edges with the hair dryer, and you're done. Visit HeadlightArmor.com for lighting protection kits for your specific application today.